Hello everyone, this is Tushar again with a new topic. Hope you all are doing fine. So before starting to the video, I want to request please hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I update a video. So today we will be discussing the battery rating, especially the C rate. You always have seen a C rate C5, C15, C20, C25 written on the batteries or which we take, whether it is a phone battery, whether it is a cell phone or torch battery, whether it is a car battery or bike battery. It always demonstrate C with some numerical digit. So today we will be discussing what is the significance of C rate of a battery and how it is useful. So what is C rate? C rate basically is the capacity of the battery at which it can charge itself and discharge itself by giving supply to the load. So it is a basic formula here that IB is equal to CH upon HRs. Here is the battery capacity. Here is the battery capacity. Here is the hours for which I want to run the battery or the load, means time I can say. Okay, and this is the average current which can be drawn from the battery. Okay, so let us suppose I take here 300 amps ampere hours battery. Okay, so CH will be 300 ampere hours and I want to run the battery for 10 hours. So means I want to use the battery for 10 hours. Okay, time is 10 hours. Okay, so what will be our IB? IB will be 300 divided by 10, 30 ampere. So I can get 30 ampere from the battery at a single time. So this means I cannot run any load on the battery which needs to be run at more than 30 ampere. Similarly, if I consider a battery of 100 ampere hours and time here what I want is again 10 hours. Okay, so here IB will be 100 divided by 10, so which comes out to be 10 ampere. Okay, so here I cannot run a load which needs current more than 10 amperes. So now you can understand how to calculate the ampere hours. Okay, sorry, you can calculate the amount of current you can get from the battery. So what is the significance of CH, C20 and C15 or whatever number it is? Okay, so basically that time is C20 or C15 is this time. So now we will see how change in this time varies the current in our system and how it changes our selection to the battery. So I am considering here a case with 200 ampere hour battery. Okay, so I am taking 3 cases, C5, C10, C20. Okay, you all know that batteries are available in C5, C10, C15, C20, C25 as well. And bigger battery you want, if it can be available, you can search for the dealers for it. Okay, so now we will calculate the current. IB here will be 200 upon 5. IB here will be 200 by 10. IB here will be 200 by 20. So here the current will be 40 amps. Here the current will be 20 amps. And here the current will be 10 amps. Okay, so now you can see that you can attach a heavy load on C10, heaviest load at C5, medium load on C10, and lightest load on C20. So from now you can understand, as the time decreases, the capacity of the load increases, and same is with the price. As you will go toward C20, C30, the price will go down, as the capacity for the handling the current will be less. Okay, so here one thing I want to say, that most of the times the representation also changes. So sometimes you might have seen that if it is C10, so you divide the capacity by 10. But what if I write 10C? So you multiply the capacity with 10. Please note this, as if the digit is on right side, you will divide. If the digit is on left side, you will multiply. So now I think you can understand, you might have understand, and you can calculate the specific battery you want for your home or for any industrial purpose if you are consulting for the C rate. If you got any kind of information likely from my side, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Thank you.